In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule PhantomBuster automations to run daily so you can build a system that handles repetitive tasks for you while you focus on growing your business. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're using PhantomBuster for research, outreach prep, lead generation, or social media tracking, learning how to schedule your automation is the step that turns it into a true backend system, not just another tool you have to manually run. So first off, what is PhantomBuster? PhantomBuster is an automation platform that allows you to extract data and perform actions across websites and social media platforms. It works using what it calls phantoms, which are essentially small bots that carry out very specific tasks like scraping LinkedIn search results, visiting Instagram profiles, exporting email addresses from company websites, or pulling product reviews. You don't need to know how to code to use PhantomBuster. The platform is built for marketers, founders, researchers, and anyone who wants to stop doing the same task over and over again by hand. Where PhantomBuster stands out is its versatility. You can use it for lead list building, influencer research, competitor tracking, social proof gathering, or even automating part of your hiring workflow. With dozens of pre-built automations available, you can get up and running quickly. And when paired with daily scheduling, it becomes a hands-off solution that keeps working in the background while you focus on higher value priorities. Now, let's get into how to schedule the automations in PhantomBuster. If you want to follow along, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. So what you want to do first is click that link down below, and then you can get started with a free trial. They do have a 14-day free trial. All you have to do is enter in your email address, click start free trial, and then it will prompt you to create a password. You will have to confirm your email, so make sure you have that handy as well, and you don't even have to add your credit card information in. Once you're logged in, this is what the dashboard looks like. Over here is where all of your current phantoms will live. But let's just say you have 20 phantoms and you want to look and see which ones are in error. You can click here and filter by it. Maybe you want to filter by strategy. So maybe you want to click extract leads, and then all of the phantoms that have to do with that strategy will pop up, or platforms as well. Then if we come over here, we've got the solutions tab. This is where all of the phantoms live. So you can come in here and see whichever one that you need to use. So for example, connect with profiles from a sales navigator search. This will extract sales navigator search results and collects new leads at scale. Send timed follow-ups and track your results. This one will get your contacts LinkedIn profile URL. So connect to your HubSpot account, find missing LinkedIn profile URLs, and update your contacts. Other things like refreshing your contact list. So it will detect outdated contacts who've switched companies and keep your CRM up to date. And then they've got all phantoms, for example, LinkedIn search export. So this will scrape and export the result of a LinkedIn search into a spreadsheet. They've also got things like LinkedIn auto invitation acceptor that will automatically accept pending connection requests on LinkedIn, Google Maps search to contact data so you can extract emails, phone numbers, and social media info from Google Maps search results, and so much more. They even have stuff for Instagram follower collector, etc. So we're going to use the Google Maps search export as an example. So all you have to do is go to Google Maps. Maybe you want to type in coffee shops Oregon, and it will show all of the coffee shops. Maybe you want to zoom in a bit more and get all of the results here. Then what we can do is we'll copy this URL and we'll put it right here. Then you'll want to select your language, the number of spreadsheet rows to process per launch, and the number of results to scrape. There's also some other settings right here. So you can extract GPS coordinates from each location, add a name, etc. Then we can click save. And this is where we select the launch frequency. So it's running in the background for you and you don't have to come in here automatically. So what you can do is select repeatedly, and then you can select the frequency. So maybe it's 3 times a day, 6 times a day, whatever it may be. Or you can select advanced, where you select the amount of minutes, you select the amount of hours, and you select the days of the week, months, etc. that you would like this to run. So it's very easy and very customizable. So maybe you just want to run twice per day. We'll go ahead and click save, and all you have to do is go ahead and click launch, and this phantom will be set up and ready to go. In the activity section, that's where you will get all of your results, and you can export it from there as well, or just look at the data directly in here. An optional step as well is you can actually connect to Google Sheets. So if you want your phantom results to land in a live document like a team dashboard or personal tracker, link it to Google Sheets. You'll find this under the Setup tab. Click Link to Google Drive, authorize access, and select the sheet you want to send the data to. Every time the Phantom runs, it will automatically push the result into the connected sheet. This is such a powerful way to centralize your automation output to keep it accessible without digging through downloads. So why scheduling matters? Manually running automations is better than doing everything by hand, but scheduling them is what makes the entire process scalable and sustainable. When you schedule your Phantoms to run daily, you create a system that doesn't rely on memory, energy, or bandwidth. You eliminate missed days, forgotten tasks, and delayed follow-ups. Whether you're using it for tracking, research, or operations, consistency is what leads to results over time. That's the difference between using a tool and building a system. Now, let's dive into some of the pros and cons of PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster is one of the most flexible automation platforms available to solo founders and small teams. One of the biggest advantages is how much manual work it can eliminate across sales, marketing, recruiting, and research workflows. Tasks that used to take hours, like pulling hundreds of LinkedIn profiles or checking social stats, can be automated in minutes. Another benefit is that it doesn't require any technical experience. The templates are clear, the setup is guided, and for most use cases, you can get started with nothing more than a browser and a spreadsheet. If you want to scale up, PhantomBuster allows for complex workflow chaining and API integrations, which does give you plenty of long-term value as your business grows. The tool is also very versatile. Whether you're gathering data, enriching profiles, or monitoring changes over time, you can repurpose Phantoms across a variety of use cases. That makes it especially useful for lean teams that need to get more done with fewer resources. However, there are some downsides to consider. The platform does come with a learning curve, especially when chaining Phantoms together or troubleshooting failed runs. While documentation exists, some more advanced workflows may require trial and error or community support. Another limitation is that platform changes can break certain Phantoms. For example, if LinkedIn changes its layout, the LinkedIn scraper may stop working until PhantomBuster releases an update. This kind of fragility is common with scraping tools and something to expect periodically. It's also worth noting that PhantomBuster doesn't send emails or handle full outreach flows. It's great for collecting data and preparing lists, but you'll need to integrate it with other tools to complete the outreach or CRM follow-up process. In short, PhantomBuster is a strong solution for automating web-based research and data workflows, but it's not a one-click fix. It works best when used by someone willing to spend a little time upfront building out repeatable systems. Now, I wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options so you know what to expect. If you use our exclusive link down below, you can go ahead and click upgrade and you'll get brought to the pricing page. They have a couple of different options here. You can pay annually or monthly. I'm going to go over the annual because that's how you're going to get the best price possible and save 20%. They also have a free trial, and with this you get 2 hours of execution time, 1,000 AI credits, 5 slots for Phantoms, and limited exports, as well as bonus 50 email credits. With the Starter Pro and Team plan, you get all of the same features. It's just about how many you need. So for example, the starter plan is $56 per month paid annually. You get 20 hours per month of execution time, 10,000 AI credits a month, 5 slots for Phantoms, and then each plan has unlimited exports, community access, and priority support, with also bonus emails per month as well. The Pro plan, you get all the same features, just more execution time, more AI credits, more Phantoms, and this is $128 per month paid annually. Same with the Team, it's $352 per month paid annually. You get even more hours per month, more AI credits per month, more Phantom slots. So again, you can always start with the free trial. You don't even have to put a credit card down. You get free access for 14 days and you can check it out and see if it's something that really works for you and is going to be beneficial for your business. And then you can always upgrade from there. Should you use scheduled Phantoms? If you're already using PhantomBuster manually, scheduling your Phantoms is the logical next step. It moves you from occasional automations to reliable systems that run in the background without your input. Even one scheduled Phantom, like a daily LinkedIn search, scrape, or content tracking, can keep your funnel active without draining your time. Scheduling makes automations useful, but more importantly, it makes it consistent. The biggest benefit of using tools like PhantomBuster is how much time it gives you back. Once you learn how to set up and schedule it properly, it stops just being a tool and starts becoming part of your backend, something that runs reliably and supports your growth even when you're offline. If you're someone who wants to spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time building momentum in your business, PhantomBuster is absolutely worth trying out. And scheduling your automations is where the real value shows up. If you want to check them out, we've left our exclusive link in the description below and you can get started with a free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. This channel is dedicated to helping early stage founders and solopreneurs grow smarter, faster, and with better tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.